Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for personal finance management. I am running a business of personal finance management and I receive many queries from my leads. I want that whenever I receive a new query, automatically I should send a message related to that query. Now doing this manually is consuming a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process and I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here I've created an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply is sent to this user based on the query which they have sent to me about my business. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, I have created an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this once whether this agent is working fine or not and answering all my queries which I am sending in my WhatsApp or not. I am going to send a random message like, "Hey, please give some budget planning." I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me, of course, to create a personalized budget plan, I need a bit more information. Your monthly income, fixed expense, variable expense, saving goals. So here I have provided all the details. My monthly income is rupees 40,000, and then I have entered my fixed expense, then the vehicle expense, then the variable expense, then the saving goals. Over here I'm going to write some random amount also, and then I'm going to send this message. Now let's wait for the reply. What reply it gives to me? And here it has given me a detailed reply. Here it says, "Great, here is a simple budget plan based on the information you provided. Monthly income, fixed expense, then the variable expense, then the total variable expense, then the rest of the detail, the remaining income, suggested budget allocation, saving, aim to save at least 20% of your income, which would be 8,000, then the discretionary spending, then the summary is this." I have received a very detailed response and I have created this AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you also want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to create an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for the personal finance business. Now to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard, where we can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now over here, if you want to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to create this. I have already created my own Pabbly Chatflow account. I'm going to open that. Now on the left hand side, you can see all the features which Pabbly Chatflow provides. We have this inbox, we have this contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, and get help. If you want to know more about these features, you can visit our YouTube channel where we have created detailed video on all of these features. Now over here, I'm going to create an AI assistant. So I'm going to click on this AI assistant option. And then over here I have landed towards this page. You can see the total AI assistants, active AI assistants, and the inactive AI assistants. You can see all the AI assistant which I have created over here. To create a new AI assistant, I simply need to click on this add AI assistant. So over here, first we are going to name this AI assistant. So I'm going to name this as my personal finance, and then I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant. Now as soon as this page has opened in front of me, you can see all the options here. We need to add and update all the details here. The AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and the styling. Now, first I'm going to click on this AI instructions. So what type of AI instructions? I'm going to select it as AI agent. As soon as I select this AI agent, it has automatically added the instructions. You can add more instructions according to your choice and preference. And then we have this AI configuration. Over here, I'm going to select the temperature as 0.7. So this temperature is a parameter that controls the randomness of the output generated by the AI model. A lower temperature results in more predictable and conservative outputs, while to compare, a higher temperature allows for more creativity and diversity in response. So I have selected it as 0.7, and then I'm going to select my AI as OpenAI, and then I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. I'm going to update the API key here. After entering this API key, please make sure that you click on this connect. So here OpenAI key saved successfully, and then we have this AI assistant settings. We have this header message. If you want to add any header message over here, you can do that. If you want to add the footer message, you can do that. You can use the stop keywords, retry, attempt, and then I have toggled on this fallback message. So this means whenever my AI assistant does not have the knowledge of any question or the query asked by the customer, this fallback message will be sent. So here I have simply written the fallback messages. I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about our service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. If you want, you can modify this. Now, after adding all these details, I'll simply go towards this knowledge source, and in the knowledge source, I'm going to upload the file. You see, while I was asking the questions, it has given me a very detailed solution and a reply. So how can we get this? To get such replies, we have to keep our knowledge base strong, which means I have created a knowledge base in which I have provided the complete details of my company. This is the knowledge base which I have created. Here is the financial advice. Then I have added the expense tracking, then I have added financial goals, and then the rest of the details. So here, with the help of this knowledge source only, my AI agent was able to reply to my questions. I'm going to go back towards my AI assistant, and then we have to upload this. So now I'm going to upload this knowledge source, and I have already downloaded this particular knowledge base which I've created, and we have to make sure that we enter or upload that in this .txt format. I'm going to click on this cloud, and then I'm going to go towards the downloads, and this is the knowledge base which I have already downloaded. I'm going to upload that, and here file uploaded and processed successfully. Now I'll go towards the next step, which is assistant interface. So over here you can give the header display heading name. If I remove this and give the name as my personal finance, you will see it is going to change over here. So this is the header display. And then the header display subheading is "We are online and happy to assist you." You can see this. The initial message is "Hi there, how can I help you?" And then we have this "Powered by Pabbly" label enabled. If you want, you can disable this, but I want to keep this enabled. So I'm going to enable this, and you can see that over here. Then in the footer text, I have entered the privacy policy and the link to that. And then I have entered the user first message, "I need help." So this does not mean that whenever a user send any message, the AI agent is not going to reply. They are going to reply, but over here I need to enter this. So I have entered "I need help." Now moving on towards the next step, we have the styling. Over here you can see the theme mode, assistant shape, and then the rest of the details. So here we have this light mode. If you want, you can change this. So it will start appearing like this. Then we have this assistant shape, which is circle. If you want, you can keep the square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. And then we have this assistant background color, text color, button color, and the rest. If you want to change, you can do that according to your choice and preference. We have this header profile picture. We have this assistant profile picture. You can simply upload any picture, the profile picture which you want to show on your profile here. You can also add the background picture here. So after adding, I'm going to keep this as default, and after adding all these details, you simply have to save this AI assistant. You have to toggle on this button, and if you do not toggle this on, this AI agent will remain inactive. So we have to keep this active. We are going to toggle this on button, and then we are going to save this AI assistant, and here you will see AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this to your website with the help of this code, and after that you can see the start chat. If someone suppose click on this, they will be able to directly send the message, and you can also make your customer scan the QR to start this WhatsApp conversation. So here we are done with creating this AI agent, and there is a very important step which we need to follow after this. Here we are done creating this AI agent. Now our next step is on the left hand side where you can see all these options. I have the settings, and over here I have this inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And in this inbox settings, if I keep scrolling down, I have this AI auto reply settings where I have enabled this. It is usually disabled. Now under this inbox settings, you can see all the options. From where we have to go towards this AI auto reply settings, we have to enable this, and then we will be provided with these two options of contact list and AI assistant. You can see all the AI assistant which I've created. I'm going to select the contact list as all contact. If you have created a specific contact list and you want to activate this particular AI agent to that particular contact list, then you can select that. I want to activate this AI agent to all the contacts. So I've selected this, and then I'm going to select my AI agent as my personal finance. By clicking on this add more rule, you can select another list, select another AI assistant, click on add more rules, select another list, and select another AI assistant. So you can do this too also. So now we have done this because we cannot go to individual chats and inbox and activate the AI agent there. So that's why we have activated this complete AI assistant in all the contacts. And now I'm simply going to click on this save, and here inbox settings saved successfully. Now for the last time, I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp. I'm going to delete the chats, and I'm quickly going to send some message, and let's check whether I received this response or not. So here I'm going to send this message, hey, help me with the expense tracking. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. Absolutely. Here are some steps to help you effectively track your expense. Choose a method, manual tracking, categorize your expense, record your expense daily, review weekly, monthly, identify trends, set alerts. Would you like to start tracking a specific expense now? So I'm going to send this message, yes, my junk food expense. Let's wait for the reply here. And here it is. I have received this message. Record your expenses, date, amount, place and source. So that a weekly, monthly budget. Then I have the sample entry, like we have to track the expense like this. Analyze your spending. At the end of the week or month, sum up your junk food expense, compare it with your budget and see if you need to adjust. So this is how my AI agent is going to work. And here we have successfully created an AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So here we have successfully created this AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot. Now if you have any query, you can comment down the video below. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.